Wait, we should probably turn a light on. Let me just go get the light turned on and stuff. Yeah. This is my cat. His name is Casey. And he's about to get, join a little game called Throw the Cat. He's starting to understand. Okay, let's see how far we can throw it. Devin up. Ready? You ready? Ready, and go.
Yeah.
Oh, made it to my feet. Casey! Come here, kitty. Oh, the regret. Don't scare him. Casey, I need to play too. No, come here. I love you. Please don't. Oh, God. Okay. Alright. Devin, it's my turn. My turn.
Alright.
Oh, you're such a good boy, Keith.
Stick my thumb in his bottle.
Okay, you made it to that couch corner.
Okay.
Alright, let's get this. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God!
Oh!
That's like 2 feet more. That's 2 feet. It's 2 feet.
I did it. You did it. I already saw your face, you idiot.
You didn't use that nothing.
Look at it. It's him. It's him.
He'll be better looking and smaller.
You saw him, right? You saw him. Devil may cry.
He would.
I'm going to explore my house. Randomly, that's my laundry room. Oh my God! Oh no! My dog is cute. My dog wants to go outside. I'm letting him go outside. Hey, get out of there! He's going into the garbage can. Wait, baby. Oh, okay. He's going outside. It's just my backyard. It's very nice. And goes over there. It's cool. There's my dog peeing. I look like shit right now, so excuse my face. There's my cat right there. It's just fun. Don't sit on this, hurry up! I'm gonna leave him out there for a bit. Casey, this is my kitchen. It's my cat. Casey. He's like, whoa, what the hell just happened? Holy shit, and that's that. Then we walk over here and we see the living room. There's one of my computers, there's my TV, and couch, door. Let me go over here in this darkness. The hallway! It's my room. Very, very messy. Let's just go into a closet. This is my bathroom. This is where we go potty. Hi. It's my sink. It's where we wash our hands and where we keep my brush. And there's my toilet. I poop there. And then me in my shower. This is where I take baths. Because I'm super special awesome. And this room. Oh. What is that? And this is the hallway. Again. And this is our food pantry for the food no one eats. I'm gonna open up the windows. See if my dad's home. And I can show you his room or not. My dad is home. That's my car, right there. I drive it everywhere, and that's my dad's Jeep. And then, we'll go outside and we'll show you the front of my house. Yeah. Okay. This is my driveway, my car. I hate that seat cover. This is my tree. This is my other tree. That's my house. my garbage can. And that's my sky. That's my tree. And then, oh, there's my garage. There's my weed blocking drivey thingy. I forgot the name of. And if I go into the backyard, Nazi! Nostradamus! Oh. There's my baby! Oh, you're my baby! Oh, you're so excited. You're so excited. I know. I baby him. He's so cute. I love my dog. The only person who's really going to be watching this is Tina, probably. So, hi, Tina. Yeah. I'm gonna probably just... Nels, come here. I'm gonna sit over here with my dog for a brief moment. Alright, Nels, come here. Come here. Nelsy, come here. Sit down, baby. Bye, Tina.